funny monkey facts that will make you smile. Monkeys have been known to steal personal belongings like phones, hats, and sunglasses and then exchange them for food or other desirable items. Some monkeys have been observed using tools like sticks to fish out food from tight spaces. They can also make silly faces as a way of communicating with other monkeys. One particular monkey in Japan became a popular DJ after learning to spin records at a monkey college. He even had his own radio show. Lastly, monkeys have a great sense of humor and have been seen playing pranks on each other, such as pulling tails or making funny gestures.